Before we start the video, I just wanted to make an announcement. The next 150 aquarium kits are in. They are back in stock, so we are launching them on the website this Friday, July 22nd at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. So if you've been wanting one, now is the time to get one. I'm gonna leave the link to those again in the description below. Now back to the video. To celebrate 1 million subscribers, I wanted to do something special. So in this video, I picked out a bunch of orders from the first 50 aquariums, and we're gonna be hand delivering them all over the country to you guys, to some of my subscribers.
Oh, personal delivery.
And I'm gonna get to meet you guys. It's all starting right now. Let's get started.
We're at LAX. We're in Los Angeles, and we're about to be hand delivering some of the very first tanks ordered. So we got the tanks in the back. Let's see how this goes.
All right, there we go.
Hello, oh my God. No way.
Are you Evan?
Wow, I am Evan. I was in the garage and it raining.
He's got a tank already. Oh, you even have a little dragonette. He is adorable. So you're like going from big to small.
Yeah, I think I want to make this a little seahorse tank.
Cool.
I think it'll be kind of cool. Thank you for hand delivering it. That was like in my head, but I'm like, that's like ridiculous. There's no way.
Good talk, man. Yeah.
Absolutely, I love it.
Oh my God, it's George! Oh no, don't do it. So, I get a picture. They said someone's at the door and we looked at the camera and it's like, oh my God!
Robin was the very first order, and the craziest part about it was that she ordered it before we actually launched the video.
I ordered it like 4 o'clock our time, and that's when I saw
The kit.
The kit. I was like, this is awesome. I'm getting it.
To be one of the first people to get it, it's amazing. So thank you guys so much.
She felt like she was watching you grow up.
I watched them and then I made him go back and watch them from when you were little like that. You encourage a lot of kids to get into it when they're small because you make it simple, you make it fun. But there's old people like it too. I just turned 61. I've got 6 grandkids, and this is the first reef tank in the family.
Never too young, and you're never
too old.
That's amazing.
We're taking a spin in Robin's camper van.
My life's dream is to like just get in the camper van and go.
I haven't expressed that yet on this channel, but now you know, and to travel the country, so.
We're gonna get a little taste of it. You guys are so cool.
Bye.
You too.
Just outside of Cedar Rapids, Iowa now. And yeah, it's a cute little town. So much snow though. Quite the climate change here, so.
No one's home. Wow. All right, well, I guess you don't get your tank.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay. No way, what the hell? No way.
What's up, man?
This is insane. We brought you all the stuff to set it up too.
No way.
That's insane.
Hello.
Watch on YouTube.
Wow.
I'm expecting this.
This is so
I wish I was in my PJs. I was like hoping it shut up today, but this is the last thing I was expecting. Yeah, that's perfect size. That's awesome. Because I was like, I don't know what I need or how to do it. And then you were all like, well, I'm going to give you a video list.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Dude, I kind of want to set this out with
We
Brandon.
can set it up in my room.
All right.
This is crazy.
Let's do it.
The perfect thing, because now it's going to get set up the way it should be.
It's awesome. Brandon already has a freshwater tank set up.
I set it up before I started watching your videos, but yeah, it's a start.
Got some cichlids and
Yeah,
some plants.
that's-
So you're on your way, yeah. The reef tank is gonna be good.
Going, yeah. I mean, if I could do it again, I would have done a lot more natural with rocks and a lot of live plants.
That's how you learn too. So this is good. Transitioning from freshwater to saltwater. Are you mom?
Yes.
What do you think, mom?
I just stand back and watch. I think it's great.
We got to sell you on it first. All right, cool. So we're pretty much ready to set up the tank with Brandon. We can knock this out pretty quickly, actually. All right, there's a filter built into the tank. That's what makes it an all-in-one tank. First, we're gonna connect the pump. Most pumps, when there's not enough water in the tank, it starts making that like gurgling, annoying noise. These pumps are just gonna take the water from the very lowest point. It is controllable, so you can turn up and down the flow. The intensities are 1 through 20, and I usually keep it on like 3 or 4. So pretty low. Okay, your filter media basket. So that's gonna hold all the components for your filter. Sponges first, they go on the top. You got your carbon, goes in the middle. And then the ceramic rings go in the bottom. Perfect. So the sponges are gonna filter out like any of the big debris. The carbon's gonna filter out chemicals, like minerals in the water and make your water clear. And then the ceramic media holds all the bacteria, the good bacteria. It's sort of like the foundation of your tank. To clean, you're gonna rinse these out. You can rinse that out. You don't ever touch that. Yeah, slide that in. Dude, it's so satisfying.
Oh, because it's such a perfect fit?
Yeah.
That is nice. It's literally perfect. I like that you put the logo right there.
You can connect your light. I'll let you pull it out. This will be even easier to set up.
Solid light. Whoa, and it bends.
The bend for the first time.
Wow.
All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna use these screws and you screw it on the back.
I was never expecting this to happen.
Nice, you got your light hooked up. I'll let you do the honors.
Did the honors for me. It's a nice color.
This is your white,
Mhm.
and then that's your blue. And that's white and blue at the same time.
I like that color.
I like that color too. That's usually where I have mine at. That's its lowest setting. As you get more corals that are a little harder to keep, that thing you can crank it up. So we got your water, rock, and live sand. This is the fun part. You channel your inner aquascaper.
I don't have a very good inner aquascaper.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, not yet.
But today, after today, let's start with the sand. All right, you want to put about 1 inch or 2 of sand. I'd say start with 1 inch, see what you think, and if you want, you can add more.
Go for it.
Yup. Oh yeah. And all that water that just came out, that's the bacteria, and that's what makes it live sand. So there's tons and tons of bacteria that's already living in this sand, and that's what's gonna help cycle your tank. You're probably gonna wanna use about 2/3 of that bag. Yeah, it looks good.
It's got a smell to it.
Yeah, it's kind of like a funky bacteria smell.
Yeah.
That smell though means that you get to put fish in there sooner. Time for the rock. Start with the base pieces, and I would just try to make like a cave or a cove. I like to use dry rock because it doesn't come with any pests on it. Sometimes if you get live rock, you can have like hitchhikers and different like weird things living in it. So we're using live sand to have the bacteria in it, but then we're gonna use dry rock.
I like that.
Perfect. That looks so good. So there's plenty of room for any fish to like swim through the whole thing. Lots of room on each side. When you're cleaning the tank, you can put your hands around it. It's awesome. You're ready for the water.
Awesome. All right.
Normally, a lot of people will just like throw the water in there and it'll stir this sand up and it'll get super cloudy. So the tip that I like to use, a plastic bag of some sort. Instead of pouring the water straight into the sand, you're gonna place this kind of like in your sand like this, and we're gonna pour the water in here. Yeah, and then it'll disperse the water. So whenever you're adding water or doing maintenance, cleaning your tank, you can swivel the light. Cool. So you don't get it wet. Mom's coming in to make sure we put down a towel. That's what my mom would do. What do you think of his aquascape?
Looks
You
great.
could've-
No, I like that.
I like it too.
It's really good. It's a nice little group of rocks. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, nice. Halfway there. Pretty clear too. So you'll see the water is gonna start draining now into the filter, and the filter is gonna start filling up in the back. Wow. Dude, it's a good scape. It's a good scape,
I
Brandon.
like it.
Good
I
job,
like
dude.
it a lot.
So in the 10 episode course that comes with this kit, I basically have a guide for my favorite and top 20 fish that are good for this tank, and also the top 20 beginner corals that are good for this tank. You probably wanna wait maybe a week, 3 weeks.
So excited.
It'll be good.
I watch your videos with him.
Yeah, when I'm at work, we
What
sit
up?
there watching your
Nice to
videos.
meet you. Yeah, Brandon was one of the first 50 people who bought the tank. He was watching the video. He stopped watching the video halfway, went and bought the tank, and then went back to the video.
20 or 30 minutes later, I checked again and they were all sold out.
He probably got it because he stopped watching.
It was literally right in the part of the video where you were like, these are gonna sell out super fast. And I was like, all right, I'm not taking any chances.
What do you think? He loves the fish tanks.
Yeah, he really does. It's like his favorite thing is he'll come in here and he'll just sit here and watch them for a long time. Yeah? Man, I'm stoked. Thank you so much.
My man.
That's so awesome. I would have never expected this. Like for you guys to come here and all that. That's so insane.
Keep in touch, like I said, because I want to make sure that this is a good experience for you. I'm trying to build a community. We're going to have a group. All the people who have this tank are in, so we can collaborate, learn from each other.
I get to say that George has set up my Nano Reef tank.
This is dope.
It's crazy.
This is good, man.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
I can't believe that happened. This is so awesome. I'll see you at freaking Aqua Show. I'll be there.
What a cool experience to be able to deliver that tank to Brandon, Robin, Evan. Coolest part was all different ages, different demographics, and all over the country. If you didn't get a chance to get the tank, we do have an email sign up list and we're gonna notify you when we have more in stock. We have another 150 tanks coming. So guys, please be patient. There are more tanks on the way. We also hit 1 million subscribers. It literally was crazy. We sold out of the tanks and then the next day we hit 1 million subscribers. It was like overload for me. I can't express how grateful I am for all of this. Remember to keep those nitrates low. George, out.
Remember to keep your nitrates low.
George,
out.
These tanks are going on my website. Super excited to be able to finally get some more of these out to you guys. Also, Aquarium Academy has fully launched. This is the online video course that teaches you everything you need to know for reef keeping, how to set the tank up, how to buy your first fish and corals, how to maintain the aquarium, and how to make sure everything looks amazing. If you buy one of the tank kits, the course comes included, but if you didn't have a chance to get one of these or you're just setting up your own reef aquarium, bigger, smaller, it doesn't matter because this aquarium course applies to every tank. So I'm also going to leave the link down below to Aquarium Academy. Make sure to go check it out. I think it's the best course that exists if you're looking to learn how to set up a saltwater aquarium. And of course, I'm going to be at Aquashella Dallas, the world's largest aquarium convention. It's August 6th and 7th. It's in literally like 2 weeks. It is a must go. I'm going to be there. I do want to meet you guys in person. Make sure to buy your tickets to Aquashella Dallas, and I'll see you guys shortly. Remember to keep those nitrates low. George, out.